Subtle fragrance. Green tea, rhubarb, jasmine and bergamot blend for a delicate scent that's fresh and relaxing. Benefit. Vitamin-enriched to provide intense moisture and rejuvenation while working to reconstruct damage and prevent further decline in hair health while gently cleansing and removing impurities. Premium natural ingredients, argan oil, sage oil, grapeseed oil and vitamin E restore dry and damaged hair to vitality. Fatty acids and frankincense oil rejuvenate tresses and return softness and luster. Makes a great gift. Whether you're looking to spoil yourself, or the men and women in your life, the best gifts are often the little everyday luxuries we don't think to treat ourselves to. Our prestige line of products for hair and body are equal parts pampering and practical. Gift and indulgence they'll actually use. Professional results. Pair with THEORIE's companion Argan Oil Conditioner and Argan Oil Serum for hair that shimmers with radiant health. Argan Oil Shampoo, Restoring Shampoo. Moisturize Revive, for severely damaged hair. Benefits. Nutrient-rich argan, marula, and grapeseed oils penetrate the hair shaft soothing and rejuvenating hair, strand by strand. Sage essential oil provides cleansing properties, as well as protects hair from harmful UV rays that cause oxidative stress, aka free radicals. Protects color and keratin-treated hair. Scent. Green tea, rhubarb, jasmine and bergamot blend to become an extremely refreshing and relaxing fragrance. Top reviews from the United States. I love this shampoo. As I aged, my hair became very dry and this shampoo works beautifully. I bought a bottle at Marshall's and I loved it so much that I searched for it on the internet. It leaves my hair soft, moist, and shiny. Great product. I highly recommend this shampoo for people with damaged hair.